This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 102 of building a Ford GT. This issue we're putting the nose on, putting the front end together, which I'm looking forward to doing. The Ford GT at Daytona. What we're reading about. If you want to pause and read all of the words, feel free. I just want to get on with the building. So yeah, lots of historic pictures there. So yes, we've got some parts which we're again not going to be using. I'll put them aside for later. We've got the nose which we're going to be putting in place and indeed plugging in. No screws to hold the front end in place, which is strange, but I'm sure it's going to go on there fine. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it assembled. So parts, again, that's to do with the vent on the back there again. So we're not using those yet. I'm not even going to open the packet. Put that aside. I've got the front cover, which has still got the 4 bits on there, and we've got the 2 spare ones anyway. We've got our front nose, which is all built up with the lights in there. And we've got the car itself. Let's bring that round. So we need to plug in our lights first, and then the whole thing just sort of tilts backwards over it because you've got the front hole that this bit goes through, and then it all sort of falls together. So let's get that there, get that positioned about there because it's just going to drop down like that. But before we do that, we need to get these wires connected up, which I've got one coming through either side, sort of dropping down behind the wheels, so get them, how's going to be best? I'll just get them plugged together, and then, apologies, this is just off camera there. Get it the right way round, plugged in, and indeed, plugged it in, and that light's come on. I'm sure, I don't know if there's an on-off switch. I don't remember there being an on-off switch, but it's nice to know that the light is working. Yeah, all of the lights have come on. That's quite cool. So let's do the same on this side with this wire, which is around there somewhere. Can't find that one. There it is. I can see it. So we'll plug that one together over there as well. Get my magnifying glasses out of the way. That one there and that one there. Can't see over that side. So I think it's that way round. That doesn't feel like that's going together that way round. Let's rotate it 180 degrees. Then that's gone together. And we have indeed got the lights coming on there as well. So now it's just a case of angling this, getting it located underneath there. Get back properly and getting that wire tucked out of the way and behind the wheel. There we go. That's those there. That in on there. That, oh, there you go. That just snapped in place just like that. Nice. So the lights are on, the 2 underside and the 2 main ones. I shall have to have a look around and see if there is a nice switch for that, but I'm sure there is. So that is that. This bit will go on the front. I'm actually going to take off the 4 clips because 2 of them have already fallen off. So that goes on there that way round. not number 9, it's number 6. That goes on there like that anyway. And let's have a look. Back bit. Now this is obviously going to be hinged somehow. Got a big bracket-like things there, so that's probably how that's going to hinge. That is going to sit on there. A bit like that. There's obviously a framework that it's going to sit onto that I've not built yet. But it's going to go on there much like that. So there we have, for the first time, the car pretty much complete. That vent piece obviously is the parts we've got parts for. There are no lights at the back yet, which are going to go in, and that's obviously what these wires are going to go in for. So, and there's going to be a rear window of some description. So, yeah, that's that. I shall put it aside for another month, because that's the last of this month's deliveries. But that's quite nice. I like it. It's quite compact compared to the other cars that I've been building. In fact, all just about fits on screen. So that's that. Let me see about turning the power off and then put it away for a month until the next delivery comes in. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the build. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you for more before this comes back next time, next month. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.